This is K. Harshini, Assistant Professor, Triple Department, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. Today in the Control System Lab, we are performing the experiment of op-amp based PID controller. So in this experiment, actually what we are going to do is, here we are going to design the op-amp based PID controller and also verifying the results of op-amp based PID controller. So in order to perform this experiment, actually what are the apparatus required here? So the apparatus required for this experiment are op-amp based training kit, MATLAB software and a personal computer. So this is nothing but the controller, proportional control, integral control, derivative controller diagrams based on op-amp. Okay, always the controller will be present in between the error detector and system. So this is our MATLAB circuit on which we are going to verify our results. So these are nothing but the controllers, proportional control, integral control, and this is PID controller. And these are the transfer functions. And from transfer function, we are going to verify the output, and that output here we are going to see in the scope. So now we will design this particular circuit in our MATLAB software. So first, in order to design this MATLAB software, first we have to click on the MATLAB icon. So then we will see a symbol of Simulink here. So we have to click on this Simulink. Then this window will be open. So this is nothing but the Simulink window on which we can design our MATLAB circuit. And now in order to design the circuit, we need apparatus, blocks, right? So those blocks are obtained from this library browser. Okay, and this is your library. So now we are going to grab our blocks from this library. So first one, we will go to the commonly used blocks. So from this commonly used block, first I'll select scope, mux, and next step input, right? So step input we are going to get from sources. So from here, step input, add block 2. This is your step input. And next, controllers. So that I'll get from continuous. So this is nothing but your controller. Okay, I got the controller block. And now I'll select the transfer function block. So now I have done with all the blocks here. So first step input, and here we require 3 controllers, right? So click on it and drag. We need 3 controllers, so 3 blocks. So first we need proportional controller. So click on the controller block.
So first only proportional. So select P and give the value of around 100. Apply. And now I controller. So again click on PID to select I and assign the value of your I controller around 50. And next, this is PID. PID. So values of this one 100, 100, control derivative 50. And here this is nothing but your filter coefficient. Filter coefficient should be always minimum. Okay. So now I have selected the controllers and now I have to give the transfer function. So click on it. So numerator is 1. So now let me give the transfer function 1 space 2 space 5. So this is nothing but the transfer function which we have designed. Okay. So again here also we require 3 transfer functions. So select, drag down. Okay. And next. So here we are having 3 transfer functions, right? So therefore here we require for this mux 3 inputs. So click on the mux. Give 3 inputs. One. So now so step input. So now we have assigned all the values. So run it. Scope icon, we can see the waveforms here. So let me change the value. So this is nothing but the title. So here I can give PID and here Y limits -5 and here around -5. Around 100. Okay. Apply. Okay. So now we can see this one. So this is the waveforms. So this one. So first one indicates your differential. The first yellow color indicates your proportional. This is your integral and this is your derivative controller. And now in our MATLAB, if we are changing the values of the controllers, I. So now, after doing the changes, once again we have to run the program. So this is how we are going to get the changes in our graph by changing the values of controllers. So this is all about the experiment of op-amp based PID controllers. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.